Welcome to the Self-Architect Project. This is not just a lecture, this is the foundation of a new edifice. Welcome, you are here at the beginning of something monumental. This is the first of 1,000 conversations, 1,000 blueprints, 1,000 deliberate steps out of the person you have been and into the person you are destined to become. 1,000 mornings of choosing who to build. And we begin not with a complex strategy, but by correcting a single fundamental error in thinking that has held humanity back for centuries. We ask the wrong question. We are obsessed with the question of what? What should I do next? What is my plan? What is the task? It's a question that leads to hustle, but not to harmony, to activity, but not to architecture. It keeps you busy, but it will never make you whole, and it will never lead you to exceptional performance. Today we replace it forever. Exceptional achievement, the kind that echoes, does not come from a checklist. A checklist is what a carpenter follows. We are not here to be carpenters, executing someone else's blueprint. We are here to be architects. And an architect's first and most vital question is not, what do I build, but who am I building for? What consciousness, what character, what caliber of human being is required to inhabit this vision? Grand achievement does not spring from a written plan alone. It emanates from a fortified version of you, a latent version, waiting in the raw material of your present self. It is not found, it is forged, step by step, choice by choice. So, if we stop asking, what should I do? What do we ask instead? We ask 3 better questions. Do you desire a grander vision? Then you do not need a longer list. You require a wider mindset. Your current mindset is a room. A palace cannot fit inside it. To host a monumental future, you must first demolish the walls of your old thinking. Do you crave true transformation? Then you do not need another motivational quote. You need a new foundational habit. Motivation is a gust of wind. Habit is gravity. It is the constant, undeniable force that shapes your world. To change your life, change the gravitational pull of your daily rituals. Do you demand a different outcome? Then you cannot send the old you to collect it. A different result requires a different person to step into the light. You are the single greatest variable in every equation of your life. To change the solution, you must change the solver. This leads us to the simple, liberating truth that will be the bedrock of our next 999 conversations. The road to high performance is not paved by pressing down harder on the accelerator of a broken down vehicle. It is built by first upgrading the driver. It is about ascending into your rightful, stronger form, the sovereign, the self-architect. This version knows the sacred rhythm, when to pause, when to focus with volcanic intensity, and when to persist through the storm. It does not try to act, it operates daily from the immutable identity of a capable being. It is not trying, it is being. When you crystallize who you intend to become, the goal ceases to be a distant external trophy. It becomes the organic byproduct, the natural echo of a person in a state of becoming. The goal is pulled toward the new you by the sheer force of congruence. Your first blueprint, before lecture 2, is simple but profound. Answer this. Write it down. Who is the person that would not only reach my goal but would be worthy of it, expanded by it, and ready for what lies beyond it? Define that architect. Tomorrow, pick up your first tool.